Hello student, good afternoon. Today I am going to talk on the next topic is in the reproduction, which is important for their human beings. Basically, as you know that in the reproduction there is a last stage of the sexual reproduction is menopause and andropause. So this andropause, we are going to see the andropause, and this andropause, although males, they are related with the males, and it do not show the loss of the fertility with the age. They often show a steady decline of testosterone hormones and the testosterone secretion. There is an estimated 10% of fall testosterone levels every 10 years after the age of 30 in men. So that the testosterone hormones is lost about 10% in every 10 years. In the condition is, or it is also called as the male menopause, or more appropriately known as the andropause. So as men age, not only does the body start making the less testosterone, the levels of another hormones, that is called as the sex hormones, bind. So in the definition of andropause, andras in the Greek word is known as the human male, and pause means the meaning of the cessation. In the syndrome in which the changes accompanying being are associated with the signs and symptoms of androgen deficiency in the older male, traditionally aged greater than the 50, and signs and symptoms are accompanied by a low serum testosterone hormone. These andropause, they are related with the testosterone hormones. It may be the change after the 50 years. This is not the same as the midlife crisis. Other terms, the male menopause, male climacteric, androgen decline in the aging male, or the male syndrome, and the late onset the hypogonadisms. The history of the andropause is, it is one of the target tissues receives inadequate amount of testosterone, and this may lead to physical and mental changes such as the fatigue and mood swings. And men experiences andropause may also be at increased risk of osteoporosis. And the treatment of andropause involve replacing the testosterone in blood, and which are administered through the skin patches, capsule, and injections. In 1935 and 1946, this Butenwald, Ruzicka, and Werner published the JAMA titled "The Male Climacteric Characterized by the Nervousness, Reduced the Potency, Decreased Irritability, Fatigue, Depression, Memory, Problem Sleep, Disturbances, and the Hot Flushes." You can see that this influence of the age on hormone levels in the men. You can see the age, total testosterone, then SHBH, that is SHBS is nothing but the sex hormone binding globulin in the male, then free testosterone. Here is given the age 35 to 34. The total testosterone is secreted 21.4 and 5.9, and the sex hormone binding globulin is 35.5, 8.5, and the free testosterone is 0.43 33.1. So accordingly that the age is 35 to 100 they are giving. So that these testosterone hormones they are secreted, and 35 to 45 total testosterone is morely secreted about 23.1 to 7.4, and it is very loss in the hormone levels in the men is 85 to 100 years. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस वय अतिशय जास्त वाढते त्यावेळेस टेस्टेस्टेरॉन हे प्रॉपरली सिक्रेटेड होत नाही. The prevalence of hypogonadism measuring total testosterone is less than 5% for men in 20, 30, 12% in 50, 19% in 60, 28% for 70s, and 49% for greater than 80 age. The testosterone effects, what they are effects if the testosterone hormones is not secreted in the men? Definitely the copulation and fertilization will be not successful for the reproduction. So that we have to maintenance of male secondary sexual characteristics and fertility, bone and muscle mass, muscle strength, erythropoiesis, cognition, sexual function, and the sense of the well-being. So that this testosterone they are positively affect. So what is the signs and symptoms of the andropause? Endocrine, somatic, sexual and psychological. The endocrine symptoms: erectile dysfunction, reduced erectile quality, diminished nocturnal erections, increased abdominal fat, increased waist size. The sign and symptoms: physical symptoms: decreased vigor, easily fatigue, poor exercise tolerance, diminished strength and muscle mass, decrease in bone mineral density, decreased body hair. So that they are symptoms we can show here. Then sexual symptom is decreased libido, decrease the libido. The libido is means the physical and psychological include like testosterone and so on. And this libido is when they are decreased due to their alcohol and drug uses, so that the depression, stress and problems in your relationship. Limited quality of organisms, okay. Reduced ejaculatory strength, reduced ejaculatory volume of their sexual hormones. Then psychological symptoms is, the psychological symptoms is mood changes, poor concentration, loss of motivation, reduced initiative, memory impairment, anxiety, depression, irritability, insomnia, general reduction of intellectual activity and poor work performance. म्हणजे अशा प्रकारचे सिम्पटम्स आणि सायन्स आपल्याला याच्यामध्ये दिसत असते. त्याच्यानंतर आहे नॉर्मल HPTA. HPTA म्हणजे काय तर हायपोथॅलॅमिक पिट्युटरी टेस्टिस ॲक्सिस. त्याच्यामध्ये गोनॅडोसोमॅटिक ट्रॉपिक हार्मोन्स आहे, ल्युटेनायझिंग हार्मोन आहे, त्यानंतर फॉलिकल स्टिम्युलेटिंग हार्मोन्स आहे. मग टेस्टीज तिथे फॉर्म, टेस्टीजमध्ये ते सिक्रेशन होते आणि टेस्टीजमधून मग एका बाजूला टेस्टेस्टेरॉन आणि दुसऱ्या बाजूला स्पर्म रिलीज होते. तर हे HPTA पासून याचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन आहे किंवा त्याचं रिलीजेस होत असते. हायपोफिजिओलॉजिकल किंवा हायपोफिजिओलॉजी ऑफ अँड्रोपॉज कशा प्रकारे असते. हायपोथॅलॅमस ग्लँड, नंतर पिट्युटरी ग्लँड, नंतर टेस्टीज, ओके. म्हणजे लोअर GnRH, पल्स ॲप्टिट्यूड attenuation of diurnal pulsatility, more sensitive to negative feedback, reduced Leydig cell number, impaired Leydig cell function. जोपर्यंत Leydig cell हे प्रॉपरली वर्क करत नाही तोपर्यंत हे कॉप्युलेशन किंवा फर्टिलायझेशन हे कंप्लीट होत नाही. Leydig सेल्स म्हणजेच काय, त्यालाच आपण इंटरस्टिशियल सेल्स म्हणतो किंवा दे आर फाउंड इन सेमिनिफरस ट्यूब्युल्स इन द टेस्टिकल्स. त्याला आपण ल्युटेनायझिंग हार्मोन्स असे म्हणतो. अदर कॉजेस ऑफ हायपोट्युबरल पोस्ट प्युबर्टल हायपोगोनॅडिझम्स. प्युबर्टस म्हणजे काय, so when they are comes in the age for the age and releases and synthesis of their sex hormones. Pituitary adenomas, uremia, systemic illness, hyperprolactinemia, hemochromatosis, Cushing syndrome, cirrhosis, morbid obesity, cranial radiation. नंतर मग मेडिकेशन आणि लो टी म्हणजे टेस्टोस्टेरॉन हार्मोन्स डिक्रीज लीडिक सेल, दी टेस्टोस्टेरॉन प्रोडक्शन, बाइंड टू द एंड्रोजन रिसेप्टर, डिक्रीज द गोनाडोट्रोपिन सिक्रेशन, decreases conversion of T to DHEAT. Contraindication to testosterone replacement therapy, that is absolute and relative. Documented HX of prostate, HX of breast and HCT 55% or more. Sensitivity to ingredients in T formulations. Erythrocytosis, most common with IM preparations and tends to be dose related. Theoretic risk of thromboembolic events, but no reports of this. Easily treated by dosage reduction, blood donation or therapeutic phlebotomy. The testosterone and the prostate glands, how they are work. At least 8 recent studies have failed at least 8 recent studies have failed to demonstrate exacerbation of voiding symptom during T supplementation. Complications such as the urinary retention do not complications such as urinary retention do not occur at higher test, and in hypogonadic men, prostate volumes to increase rapidly after initiation of T therapy to values similar to men without hypogonadisms. Basically, the prostate testosterone function is that play an important role in the body. In men, it's thought to regulate sex drive, that is libido, bone mass or fat distribution, muscle mass and strength, and the production of red blood cells and sperm. A small amount of circulating testosterone is converted to estradiol and form estrogen. म्हणजे ह्याच्यामध्ये टेस्टोस्टेरॉन हार्मोन्स हे एक महत्त्वाचा रोल आहे आणि सेक्स ड्राईव्ह रेग्युलेट होणे, बोन मास, फॅट डिस्ट्रीब्युशन, मसल मास हे त्याच्यामध्ये स्ट्रेंथ, रिप्रोडक्शन, RBC आणि स्पर्म हे त्याच्यामध्ये वर्क करत असते. प्रोस्टेटमध्ये रिप्रोडक्शन ऑफ फ्लुइड दॅट टुगेदर विथ द स्पर्म सेल फ्रॉम द टेस्टिकल्स अँड फ्लुइड्स फ्रॉम अदर ग्लँड्स मेक्स अप सीमेन. The muscles of the prostate also ensure that the semen is forcefully pressed into the urethra and expelled outwards during the ejaculations. And these prostate glands, when they are affected, possible side effects of radical prostatectomy are urinary incontinence, being unable to control urine, and erectile. So that this prostatectomy is important for their work properly. So you can see this, the message for this andropause is, well, Mr. Rosenberg, your lab result look pretty good, although I might suggest your testosterone levels tad high. Means when your physiological, psychological, biological condition should be the happy, and your body or health it should be the good for the work in a reproduction, so that the andropause will not occurs in an early stage. So andropause will be occurs at the stage of the at least not more than 50, but they are at least 50 year age of the age, this andropause will be occurs. So that it is one of the syndrome associated with a decrease in sexual satisfaction or a decline in a feeling of general well-being with low levels of the testosterone in older man. Okay, thank you.